okay? I must be the luckiest man alive!
He's definitely dead now.
1 second he was there talking to us, and the next is... got a massive boner.
How are we going to get rid of it?
Grab that book. Try giving it a whack.
He's got a boner.
Whose fault was this?
It was a total accident.
You were the one that dragged him down there. You're the one that's gonna bring him back in one piece. Because if you don't, I'm going to fuck you. Do you understand me?
What's that do?
Can someone help me, please?
If we don't get Luke's body back to London before it goes mouldy, Henry's going to actually kill us, isn't he?
Quite possibly, yeah. It's all gonna be fine. We've got it all under control.
Truck, he's going!
Your friend is in a penis-shaped box.
A penis. Gold penis.
I'll just quickly introduce you to my mother.
Hello.
You are fucking kidding me.
My friend's dead, and the only chance of getting him back home is if you go and shag that old lady over there.
Luke and I were friends for many years, and of everyone I've ever known, he definitely had the biggest cock. What the fuck? I was meant to say biggest heart.